And we're connected now. There it is. Hey guys, it's your boy, Mr. Greek 2002. In today's video, I'm here in my all-new 2019 MK7 Jetta S model. Apparently standard in the base model Jettas, it comes with Volkswagen CarNet with App Connect, which is for the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and Mirror Link, as well as Bluetooth and Bluetooth audio. So I'm here guys today to show you it. And because guys I use iPhone, not so much Android, I'm gonna go ahead now and show you the Apple CarPlay. Alright, so first off, we have the key there. Okay, put in, turned into accessory mode. Okay, the radio is now on. Let's go ahead now and press the button for it. Turn it fully on. There it is, okay. My FM channel is wonderful. And then down here guys, you see a USB port. This is just for primarily the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and Mirror Link. They all work off of this one main USB plug. And where is it? It's right in front of the gear selector and the cigarette lighter. You can't miss it. Basically in the area of the ashtray area. Okay? Because I'm doing today an iPhone one. Apple CarPlay, we'll use a Lightning to USB cable. And the other one here guys is a lightning port. Alright guys, so here's my iPhone. Got the lightning cable. Let's go ahead and plug it into it. Every time you guys, you gotta plug it into it. There's no wireless mode. And we're connected now. There it is. It instantly took me to the Maps app. I don't know why. Okay. What's that do? Alright. The split view I guess. Maps. Some things you can go to. And your music playing. That's on my iPhone. Playing right now. It's basically playing off my iPhone. Yep, I'm right here at Volkswagen dealership in Thornhill, Ontario, next to Mercedes-Benz. Yep, and next to Service Ontario, correct. Okay, let's go to the music. That's what I'm playing right now. Go back. My favorite song. This is my favorite song. Love it so much. And pause it there, play. You can actually use your buttons and steering wheel, I guess, to make it all work. Okay. I think you gotta press play on here though. Increase the volume. Decrease the volume. Next track. Previous track. There you go. Next track. Previous track again. Works. Wonderful. You can go here. Previous. Next. Okay, you can do shuffle here. And replay. And next here. Allow or suggest. Okay. Cancel. Let's go to the messages app right here. Okay. It shows here guys your messages. Okay, these are somewhat old ones now. Okay, and you can write a message. Siri.
I'm on it. Sorry, I'm having trouble with the connection. Please try again in a moment.
Okay, so we're not connected here, that's fine. And go back into your multi-mode. Go back into your maps and music. Let's go into the phone. Okay, so it won't work without CarPlay, looks like. Okay, go back to CarPlay. And there you go. You have your favorites, your recents, contacts, keypad. That's how it looks like. Okay, voicemail, wonderful. Let's go into food. Again, it's internet. Don't have it connected right now, but we have Wi-Fi. I don't know why it's not working. Okay. Up next, there you go. Those are the next tracks I have on my playlist basically. Okay, you have your time here, your cellular status, Wi-Fi bars. Alright, and guys, now I'm in the actual voicemail, okay, app.
have no messages.
Okay, that's how it looks like. Let's go ahead and end the call. Wonderful. This button, guys, if you press it, it'll redial the last number you called. Okay, and you can see now my voicemail dot is gone, meaning I have no more new voicemail messages because I just went ahead now and heard it and deleted it. And guys, I just found out how to switch to the apps. Apparently you go down here, okay, and to the second page here. See, there it is. So we got phone, music, maps, messages, now playing, Volkswagen, calendar, settings. There's no third page, just second page here and first page, okay? So you get to it by pressing here. Okay, let's say we're in the app, you press here, yep. If you're here, you just go to second page, and there you are. If you're playing your music, you go here. On the first page, you go second page, there you are. But I see that it remembers which page you're on. Whether you're on the second page or first page, it remembers, and it takes you back to that page where you left off, basically. Go back in the messages here, go back here, go back in the maps here, go back here. And there you go, guys. I hope this was very handy for you and very informative. All right. Again, I'm here at the Volkswagen dealership. So guys, this therefore effectively ends the video. Please guys, drop a huge like on this video if you liked it. And browse my channel for more Mark 7 content. And also subscribe to my channel. This is Mr. Greek 2002. I'll see you guys in the next upload.